So again, welcome back to my video. So there is a problem with my recording screen application. I thought that by doing what I've done a while ago, it was recorded, but I found out that it was stopped recording. So what I did, I had already created activity number con one for checking uh, for to let me know if this application helps us to create our web-based application, because it is new to me and I tried it. While I am trying it, I am recording also, to give you idea if it is really working, because I want it to be used during your free time, especially right now we are facing holidays. We did not have met today because of the acquaintance, and then tomorrow we have a half day holiday, and then Friday is holiday, so we have to meet it again on Monday. So because of this, maybe you can work your activity at home. Then you don't have to rely on computers anymore, so you can save more time, save more money. So what I did, so based on everything is really the same on the desktop. The only thing that really change is this one. On the desktop we have a server name localhost, so I have commented it, so there is a forward slash, that means that is commented nothing. So I'll just say this time, this is only a comment. Okay, so the line number 3, which is the server, is equal to 0.0.0.0. Colon 3306. That is now the server of our database, or our SQL. So how did I where did I do get it? So going back here on our AWS server here, so what I did here, is first is, I selected a document root where all my activities is located. So in this case, my activities are in the SD card and Alejo activities. Then once I have done that, make sure that your Wi-Fi is disabled, so that only your Wi-Fi address or your local address is used. So I will be serious the 0.0.0, because if you're using it, if you're turning on, maybe if you're using your mobile data also, it depends on what, I think on the mobile data it will be statically, but on the mobile, it will change depending on the ISP, or the internet service provider. So here, when I start the service, I will have this address, 0.0.0.0. So this is what I am aftering. That's why I am disabling or turn off my Wi-Fi. So on the MyAreaDB server, this is now here in the MySQL icon. This is the MariaDB server. So this now the status is stop. There is no address yet. So all we need to do is to start it. Okay. So right now the service MariaDB is started. So the status is running, and then the address is 0.0.0.0 colon 3306. This is where I copy that one and paste it on the server name. So this is what I put it here. So instead of typing localhost, if you're using your phone, you must use this address 0.0.0.3306. Okay, so then what I did, in order for us to check our work, like for example, I check on my activity number 1, and I'll just tap the address, this link. When I tap that one, it will open a browser. So now if I'll open con1, it will give me connection successful. So because now the MariaDB is turned on. Okay, so when I tap here also activity number 2, okay, we can go back, and activity number 1, sorry, so it will say that database Nurso is created and database Silliman is created. So how we can view our databases, since we're using cell phone and we cannot allow it to use the console. So here in our we call it our AWS server. It helps us to access it through web format. So all we need to do is go to the MariaDB server and just tap the link the 000, or on the admin you tap the link 000:8080 slash mysql admin. So then tap on that and it will open in your browser, and then you need to log in. The username for that is root, you know that, and the password is root. Okay, by the way, where I getting this information is going back to your server, and you know that the user is root, and the password, you know that the password, when you click that one, there is a default username, which is user pass of MariaDB. The default is root, username is root, and password is root. So that is what we are going to use when we log in to our phpMyAdmin. So we go here and type here root, and the password is root. Login. So now we can now access in our phpMyAdmin the list of databases we have. As we can see now, we have database Nurso and we have database Silliman. So you don't need not to type show databases, because it is automatically when you log in, you can see here by just tapping it and clicking it. So this is very advantageous also for you, because it's very easy if you're using the mobile phone. But on desktop, you need to go to the command line and type everything, or to checking if your code is working. Okay, so the activity number 1, when we go back on our server and address, if we'll go to activity number 1, we are getting error because the database Nurso is already exists, so that means it's correct. So that error is okay. So now we can go back and go run activity number 2A. So this one is database Silliman is deleted successfully. So we can just go back to our web server and go to MariaDB server and open it again. It would happen if the Silliman database is already deleted. Root. Okay, so here, so in here, as you can see, there is no more this Silliman database. They have now already we only have Nurso. That means our activity 2A is working successfully. So we can also test it out. If there is an error, meaning it's working it again, because if we tap it again and run 2A, you have an error because you cannot drop database Silliman, since the database Silliman doesn't exist on our database for now, since we already deleted it a while ago. So that's good. So we can also go back and run activity 2B, which is database Nurso is deleted. So we will check on this. If that is deleted on our database, go back to our MySQL server and tap admin and log in to root. Okay, and log in. So if you can see now on your database, now there is no more Nurso, neither the Silliman. So our code is working properly. So going back to your codes, you may feel to add more activities, since I have already given to you the resources for you. So this is only a video that letting you know that this video is this application will help us working in your phone, and it makes us more efficient, because we can just work your phone, and also we can also work on the desk on the PC. So I think that's all for today, and you may continue the activity number 2 and so on. So thank you, and God bless you.